Just be careful, okay? Paalis na rin kasi ako eh. I still have to talk to Dad about my new investment. I'm thinking of investing in Benicia Builders Company.
Babe, that's JM's company.
I know, pero pangat na rin kasi sila, babe. We can really benefit from this. In fact, we need this. Well, wala akong pakialam kung may past man kayong dalawa. Or kung kainin ko man yung pride ko. All I really care about is you and our future together.
Bakit ba ang bait-bait mo? Paano ka naman iiwan ang isang katulad mo?
Sir JM, nagsasayang na po kami.
Isa pa, isang bottle.
Pero sir, sarado na po yung bar eh.
Glass. Isa.
Pero sir...
Pancho, isa lang, please. Sumisipa na.
Babe, hindi naman baby sumisipa dyan. Bulate. Gutom na yan. Pakainin mo na.
Bulate ba yan? Hindi, alam mo, pangarap ko talaga magkaroon ng 12 anak para 12 bata ang makakaranas magkaroon ng ama. Yun.
Sige, kung yun ang pangarap mo, yun din ang pangarap ko, babe.
Wow naman.
Kailangan ko ng hug.
Yes, of course. Of course.
Jim, I can't believe you missed your flight para nang panoorin ako sa dance ko.
Importante ka sa akin. And hindi ko pwedeng ma-miss your debut as a prima ballerina. No way, never.
I don't know what to say.
Just say you love me. I'm okay. I'll be the happiest.
JM?
Yeah.
You are the most wonderful man that I have ever met.
Wow.
And I love you terribly. And I promise that I will do everything just for you.
I want you to be the future Mrs. Jose Maria Benicio III.
I'm sorry, JM. I'm not ready.
Mula sa mga asaran hanggang sa magkainitan, isang eksenang bangayan na naman. Ba't ba kasi pinagpipilitan ang hindi maintindihan, hindi naman kinakailangan. Ngunit kahit na
Hi, Bea. Hi.
Hi.
madalas na di tayo magkasundo.
Kakasal ka na, di ba?
Yes. Kakasal na ako, JM.
Best wishes na lang, ha?
Thank you. Bye. I still love you, JM. I need to know if you feel the same way.
I still love you.
Ikaw pa rin, walang iba. Gusto kong makasama. Walang iba.
Tama ka. Hindi niya ako sinipot.
I just woke up from a bad dream.
Teka, text pa ako ni Bea. Ang kulit naman ito.
The future of JMB Builders. Nakapag-desisyon ako na i-pursue natin yung potential investment ni Mr. Salazar.
Mr. Benicio!
Mr. Salazar.
Great to see you.
Good to see you too.
Excuse me for a moment.
Excuse, I'll be first.
Hello!
Hindi. Bakit sinasaktan mo sa sarili mo?